Hello, my name is Barbara Lewis with Singing After 40. Welcome. Thank you for being here. This video is about bringing heart back to your singing. I've noticed for myself and for friends that singing can seem less important in times when the world is in great disarray, as it is now. There's so many things that seem to be going wrong that singing kind of falls down low on the totem pole. In my case, I have to do performances, so I've found ways to bring singing back up into a vibrant part of my life. And I thought I would share that with you because I imagine that if I'm feeling it and singing is central to my life, that other people who sing for fun, who don't sing that often, are having a hard time too. It's sad to let your singing go. You lose your muscular ability and you lose that stream of emotion that's so important for health. The three things that I've been doing, there are many more, but I'm going to talk about three things. One is I realized the importance of singing from my body. So I do exercises every day, pretty much. Still at my age and at my stage of singing, I'm still learning. Learning how to deal with an older voice is one thing, but also learning new techniques. So I put myself in front of my piano and my mirror. I say, okay, let's sing just to get the whole thing in the body and feel once I start that, wow, what's so hard about this? So just simple things like, yeah, 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 yeah. I think singing wakes up the beautiful part of us, the wonderful expressive part of us. So it's worth it just to do yeah, yeah. Then I'll say, what song would really brighten me up today? And sometimes I come outside like this and I'll sing, oh, what a beautiful morning. Oh, what a beautiful day. Being in nature is such an uplift for the mind and the spirit and the body. And once I've got a song going through me, quite often I'll sing for someone who needs a little bit of music, a little bit of energy, a little bit of being in their life. I often sing Amazing Grace because it's so beautiful, and I'm not at all religious, but this song just somehow grabs people. So I'll sing Amazing Grace, how sweet the sound. And going through that song with a woodpecker in the distance lifts me up, and it lifts up other people. And then I realize why singing is so important for us, particularly for those of us who love to sing. But I would say for everybody, whether you have a voice or not, singing releases expression, it releases emotion, it connects you again to who you are. So for those of us who love singing, I'm assuming that many of you watching this do, start by just warming up a little bit, just doing yeah-yeahs around the house, in the kitchen. Then find a song you'll love to sing. And if you have the opportunity and the access, go outside to a beautiful place and sing a little bit. If you can't do that, sing in your car, and then sing something for someone. Sometimes I sing for my cat, but she's a great audience. And sometimes for people who really need some uplift. So please keep singing in your life. Don't let it go, even in times when you're kind of depressed. Keep singing, because that in itself is a therapy. No, that's it from me for today. Barbara Lewis with Singing After 40. Bye-bye. See you next time.